Hello everyone. Mastering the art of task management. Why task management is key to success. The consequences of poor task management. How to prioritize tasks effectively. Tools for task management. The benefits of effective task management. Make task management a habit. These are the topics for this video. Effective task management is a critical component of achieving success. It involves identifying the most important tasks and allocating time and resources accordingly. By managing your tasks, you can ensure that you are focusing on the right things and making progress toward your goals. Without proper task management, it's easy to get bogged down in low priority tasks or become overwhelmed by a long to do list. This can lead to missed deadlines, decreased productivity, and increased stress levels. By managing your tasks effectively, you can avoid these negative outcomes and achieve success more efficiently. Poor task management can have serious consequences, both for individuals and organizations. When tasks are not managed effectively, deadlines are missed, projects fall behind schedule, and productivity suffers. In addition to these immediate consequences, poor management can also lead to increased stress levels and a sense of being overwhelmed. These can have long term effects on mental health and well being, as well as on job satisfaction and performances. To manage tasks effectively, it's important to first identify which tasks are urgent and which are important. Urgent tasks require immediate attention, while important tasks contribute to long term goals. By categorizing tasks in this way, you can focus on what truly matters and avoid getting bogged down by less crucial tasks. Another key strategy for effective task management is delegation. Delegating tasks to others who are better suited to handle them can free up your time and energy for more important tasks. It's also important to create a management system that works for you, whether it's a simple to do list or a more complex method like the Eisenhower Matrix. There are many tools and techniques that can help with task management. One such tool is time management apps, which can help you track your tasks, set reminders, and manage your time more efficiently. Another useful technique is creating a to do list, which can help you stay organized and focused on what needs to be done. Finally, the Eisenhower Matrix is a popular method for managing tasks based on their urgency and importance. The Eisenhower Matrix is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you manage your tasks effectively. It involves dividing your tasks into four categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. By doing this, you can focus on the most important tasks first and avoid wasting time on less important ones. Effective task management can lead to increased productivity and better time management. When you manage your tasks, you focus on the most important and urgent ones, which allows you to make the most of your time and resources. In addition to improving your productivity, effective task management can also reduce stress levels by having a clear understanding of what needs to be done and when. You can avoid feeling overwhelmed and anxious about looming deadlines or unfinished work. Task management is a crucial skill that can lead to increased productivity, better time management, and reduce stress levels. By identifying urgent and important tasks, delegating tasks, and creating a management system, you can effectively manage your workload and achieve success. Remember, effective task management is not a one time event but rather a habit that must be developed over time. It requires discipline, focus, and commitment. However, the benefits of task management are well worth the effort. So make it a habit and watch your productivity soar. Thank you.